Hi there, it's Nina Nantagopal at almostpractical.com, and today I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of my new Cricut Maker Machine. I am so excited to be able to try this out and take my crafting hopefully to a whole new level. So I bought over the holidays the Cricut Maker Essentials bundle, and I got it in the champagne color. So you and I are both going to be checking this out together. I have no idea what I'm going to find in here, but I expect that it would be a Cricut Maker Machine. So let me cut the, there's some tape. There we go. And, okay, let's see. So there is a Let's Get Started packet, and inside that, like this, and we have materials for our first project. I love it when they include sample materials because, you know, often I don't know what to do. So inside the materials for my first project is a little bit of fabric, piece of cardstock, another piece of cardstock. So that is something I will be taking advantage of. We also have a good sized booklet with some ideas, which I love. And there is the rotary blade, I believe. And again, I'm not familiar with this because I have not used the Cricut Maker before. A pen, a USB cable. I believe that would be for the iPad because I think you can charge your iPad right from the Cricut Maker Machine. And then inside, packed up so nicely, is the machine itself. And, okay, let's see. This is going to be a little bit of a trick because this machine is actually pretty heavy. You know, it's a solid piece of equipment, I guess. Let me move the machine to the side. We can keep looking in this box, and then I'll put the machine front and center. So we have the charging cable, which I think you can see here. And underneath that, there is a fabric grip mat, which is the pink one, I believe. Yep. And also, this is a light grip cutting mat. 12, and they're both 12 by 12. So that's what comes in the box with the Maker Machine, and I believe that is what you get when you just get the plain Maker Machine, because my items that came with the Essentials bundle came separately, not inside this box. So let's see, inside the Cricut Machine, exciting, is the Maker. There it is. And I really wanted the champagne bundle, although all the colors seem to be really pretty. They have the rose and the blue, but this one is the champagne, which is kind of a silvery color. I think online it looked a little bit more golden. Maybe it's just my light, but I like this a lot. Okay, so we get that. And just grab my scissors and make a little hole here. Don't want to scratch it up. And there we go. I can't imagine, you know, I like to be crafty, but obviously you know, a lot of my site is about organizing. And so I like to create things, hopefully, that I can use, and also use a lot of materials to recycle. So I'm hoping that the Maker Machine will help me use different materials rather than throw them away, you know, cardboards. And I mean, I have no idea. I really have no idea, but it'd be nice to be able to create things instead of throw things out. Whoa! Here we go. I hope I'm not getting in this picture. There we go. Okay. That was a little bit of an ordeal. Here we go. So this is the Maker Machine. How beautiful. And it comes, has some protective materials inside. We can take those out. So that's what it looks like, guys, the Cricut Maker Machine. And just real quick, I want to show you some of the things that came in the Essentials bundle. I do like the idea of buying the bundles when Cricut offers them, because you get a lot of materials at a discounted price as opposed to buying each material separately. So Cricut offers the Everything Bundle, which is a lot of the actual materials, you know, iron-ons and this and that. But I opted for the Essentials Bundle because I didn't have so many mats and blades, and I thought, you know, that might be a better idea. So the Essentials Bundle actually came with some extra blades. It came with a bonded fabric blade, a extra fine point blade, and a deep point blade. So I figured these would come in handy for cutting different materials. And it also came with a sewing kit, which has a leather thimble, a measuring tape, fabric scissors, I believe, a thing to pull out hem, and little snippers, a pin cushion, and some really cute pins. And it came with a washable fabric marker, as well as these 12 by 24 mats, which I don't have. So this was actually really attractive to me. It has a huge fabric mat, and then a variety pack of regular mats. This includes 3 mats, and I believe, I'm trying to see where it says it, but I believe it's one of each strength. Here we go. So it has a light grip, a standard grip, and a strong grip. So these are things that I didn't have. So I opted to go for the Essentials Bundle to pick up some of these things, as opposed to an Everything Bundle that has a lot of different cutting materials that I've been kind of collecting those with my Explore Air too. So I said, you know, the Essentials Bundle made more sense to me. So anyhow, this is my new Cricut Maker Machine, and I will be sharing some projects with you as I learn how to use it. So this is Nina Nanda Gopal at almostpractical.com, and I hope that you will follow along with me on my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.